How to hide members in WhatsApp group. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can hide members in WhatsApp group. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. So make sure to watch this video till the end, but before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. First of all, you need to download the updated version of WhatsApp into your device. After that, you just need to log in into your account and just go to the chat section and create a new group. First of all, I'm just gonna head up to the chat section, tap on three dot, and you can see this new group option. Just select the members. After that, after selecting the members, you may just create the group name if you want, and right click on it and create a group. After creating a group, you just need to tap on your group name. And after tapping on it, when you scroll down a bit, you can see add group to community. You just need to click on that and tap on get started. And after that, you may just create a community name. I'm just going to type in this, tap on right and tap on OK. After that, your community will be created. So what happens is if you change your group to community, the members won't be able to see each other and you won't be able to see who is in that group. So basically, the person of the people of that group is hidden. So you may just follow that process and you should be able to hide members in your WhatsApp group very easily. So just follow the steps as well and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.